everyone. I'm Sangeeta Sharma, founder Sharmajika Atta. My journey as a businesswoman began in the year 2016. When I started my business, it was more of like meeting both the needs. To help my husband financially because my kids were growing and we had some fatal health conditions during that period, and me and my husband both were salaried, and education, medical expenses, it was not like possible with the salaries. So I decided to start something that would give me an identity, recognition in the society, and increase my income also. So this was the reason. And but yeah, when I started, I didn't know what to start with because I was very new to business. So one day while returning from the school, I found that my atta at my place got over, and we all were used to of eating chakki atta. Now what to do? We purchased packed atta, but we did not enjoy the taste and quality. So and yeah, there was something going in my mind कि कुछ तो मुझे मेरा करना है. So I thought कि yeah, this must be the problem of many people, ladies who are like me, who want chakki atta and they don't have time. And there was not a single flour mill in our society, and it's a big township of say 5,000 families, more than 5,000. Yeah, so I started like कि हाँ ये सही business है, would give me business and recognition and an identity. So I started. I thought of starting a flour mill, and when we started, we used to mill grains only. Then there were ladies like they said कि we are working, we don't have that much time buying grains from one place and then putting it to mill. So why don't you start? So I started buying grains at a smaller quantity because I did not have a big capital to invest, and I didn't have that much idea कि कितना चलेगा. So initially I started buying grains in a smaller quantity, but with time the demand grew, and my friends, my customers, they used to recommend me here and there. अरे वो आटा अच्छा है, buy from Annapurna flour mill, this and that. And while doing so, during COVID, we had a tie-up with one of our local e-commerce company, with the help of which it was very helpful for me to deliver my products across Pune. So I got like popularity that those days. कि अरे वो आटा अच्छा है जो वाघोली से आता है, ऐसे people used to comment. And after COVID, I got a chance to participate in Shark Tank. After Shark Tank, pan India level पे मेरी पहचान बनी. And then again my success story was aired last month only. तो वहाँ से मेरा business और बढ़ा. And because of Mr. Anupam Mittal, our products were onboarded on quick commerces like Blinkit, Zepto, Big Basket, Instamart, like that. And today we are here. See, when I started, as I said कि मेरा ये पैशन तो नहीं था. डेफिनेटली मुझे तो पैसा कमाना था क्योंकि मुझे मेरे बच्चों को भी अच्छा एजुकेशन था और सब कुछ. एंड बट हाँ, बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग फ्लावर मिल, आई स्टार्टेड मल्टीपल थिंग्स. आई ट्राइड लाइक सो पहले मैंने इनिशियली आई ट्राइड स्पाइसेस, दो I did not have that spice grinding machine and all, but I used to buy whole spices, and I used to get those milled from a particular spice machines, and then I used to give it to the customers and as per my demand. But what I found कि इतनी मेहनत करके भी repeat rate retention नहीं था, छोटी छोटी families थी. Then secondly, during COVID, people they migrated again to their hometowns because पुणे में immigrants ज़्यादा है, and these type of products are mostly loved by the people जिनके roots नॉर्थ से है, कोई टिपिकली महाराष्ट्र के छोटी छोटी जगह से है. व्हेन दे कम टू पुणे, प्लेस लाइक पुणे, दे डोंट गेट दैट ऑथेंटिक टेस्ट. तो इसलिए मैंने वहां से शुरू किया था. बट मुझे लगा नहीं, ये बहुत 200 ग्राम 500 ग्राम लोग लेते हैं, रिटेंशन नहीं है. एंड व्हेन आई फेस दिस आटे का प्रॉब्लम एट माय प्लेस, आई फाउंड दैट नहीं, ये सही है, दिस वुड वर्क. लेकिन हाँ, बड़ा करने के लिए धीरे धीरे जब मुझे लगा कि नहीं, पीपल दे आर अप्रिशिएटिंग माई वर्क, तब मेरी थोड़ी हिम्मत और बढ़ गई कि यस आई कैन टेक रिस्क. अर्लियर आई वाज लाइक लिटिल हेजिटेंट टू टेक रिस्क, कि मेरे पास आई हैव लिटिल अमाउंट, थोड़ा सा ही कैपिटल है, ये भी इसमें लगा दूंगी, नहीं चला तो क्या होगा. एंड वी मस्ट नॉट बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक इन बिजनेस, वी मस्ट बी प्रैक्टिकल. एंड 1% चांसेस फेलियर्स आर देयर. तो हमको वो भी कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में तो रख के चलना होता है कि डू आई हैव अ रोड मैप फॉर नेक्स्ट 6 months, कि अगर आगे ये 6 महीने के बाद नहीं चला तब मुझे क्या करना है. दैट प्लानिंग मस्ट बी ऑलवेज बी देयर. तो ये सब था चीजें. या चैलेंजेस आर देयर. कोई भी बिजनेस हो विदाउट चैलेंजेस मतलब होता ही नहीं है. चैलेंजेस आर ऑलवेज देयर, बट हाँ, बेसिकली एक फर्स्ट चैलेंज इज कि इफ आई स्टार्ट, will people be accepting my product or me? So getting earning the trust of the people is important. And those days like हर कोई buy be vocal for local, तो वो जो था, it has helped me a lot. But yeah, it was a challenge. लोगों को डर लगता था, आशीर्वाद बड़ा नाम है, we can't compete with them. But yes, of course, what quality we are giving, we need to develop that trust in the people, and it's a challenge. And it's not like that कि आपने आज कर दिया, मेरे कस्टमर बन गए, बाकी मैं कैसा भी उनको whatever the quality I provide, they will be accepting. It's not like that. And maintaining the customers and adding new is a challenge. Then see, we are into commodity product. Every day rates increase because it's a commodity product. Sometimes, many a times it happens like local traders, they don't provide you grains in bulk. They stock, but they don't give, because they know they stock, and they will provide you once the rates are increased. They know if suppose today I am buying 10 tons a day, so they will not give me 10 tons, they will give me, madam, 5 ton hai. Because they know after 3 days they will be charging me 2 rupees more, and I am buying in bulk quantity. They won't give. And then maintaining that consistency again is a challenge. And labors, manpower, developing a team, these all are challenges. And for me, of course, packaging, it's a big investment. And when I started, I was using a white label packaging and only a thermal sticker, thermal printers. We used to generate the labels, and I used to put it and nutrition fact on the backside. So these are only the challenges: maintaining, coming every day, looking after everything personally, because I did not have that much money to invest for like an accountant or a delivery boy or five milling operators and a big share for the business, and managing cash flow, working capital. मुझे बिजनेस बड़ा करना है, मेरे पास कैपिटल बहुत छोटा है. So these all are the challenges. See, because what we are doing, we are not using milling quality of wheat. There are people, they tell me, madam, हम 2 महीने का credit दे देंगे, we will provide you 25 tons of wheat. But I know what are they doing and what are they supplying, and I don't want to give it to my customers. Because see, they can sell it at a lower cost, because that auction which is done by the government after 3 years, they keep the and they buy that in auctions at our atta. Their rate of atta is cost of our grains. That is the major difference. So you can understand the quality. And the people who eat once, and मुझे पता है वो एक पहली बार जो एक इंसान जिसको वो हिट कर जाए, वो बाद में दूसरा ब्रांड नहीं देखेगा, वो क्वालिटी मुझे पता है. सो फॉर अस चैलेंज इज नॉट लाइक कि कॉम्पिटिंग विद द पीपल. फॉर अस द वे यू आस्क्ड, फॉर अस इट कि एक एक कस्टमर बस मेरा जुड़ जाए. आई नो देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स दे विल नॉट स्विच ओवर माय ब्रांड. एक example I will give you. It happened before last month only. a person, he called me, ma'am, do you remember what atta my mom used to order from you? So I said, I don't know who are you and what's her name. Could you please tell me? So बोले नहीं, I don't know, but whenever my mom used to come from Lucknow, she used to say कि तुम लोग वो क्या आटा मंगाते, ये वाला मंगवाती हूँ. Whenever she used to come, both like daughter-in-law and son were working, and she used to take care of a house by the when she is there like. तो अरे वो my mom used to. So I said, ask your mom to call me. So he said कि unfortunately she passed away. So I said कि नहीं, you just ping from her mobile so that I could see the chat history and I can tell you. So then he forwarded screenshots and all, and he pinged to his mom's number. So see, this is how we are connected to our customers. There are many such customers, not only in Pune. I oftenly get an order from Chandigarh. There is a person, he said, Madam, अकेला रहता हूँ, तलाकशुदा हूँ, मेरे हाथ में ऐनक भी नहीं है कि मैं आपको ऑर्डर टाइप करूँ, बस आप इस नंबर पे पहले का एड्रेस देख के ऑर्डर भेज दीजिए. अब मुझे पता है कि मुझे तो इसी को ऑर्डर देना और इसका आटा कैसा होता है. इट्स लाइक दैट कनेक्ट वी हैव मेड विद आवर कस्टमर्स, एंड वी नेवर लाइक wherever the customers are trying to approach us, we are always there, and we always try to respond them properly and guide them. See, now I can coordinate with them more efficiently because see, today I have a big team. Only I have to pass the order and just supervise, because I know this my team is very efficient and they will do it, and my sons are also are involved in the business only. So now if I hand over some responsibilities to them, I can connect to my customers in a better way now. Yeah, see, if I'm getting orders through website, it's a technology. When I applied to Shark Tank, was a technology only. I just scanned the QR code and I got the chance, right? And my episode was aired. Again on the television, it's a medium of technology only. How I got recognition pan India and even globally. There are customers, they just see Instagram messages on our post on Instagrams and Facebooks here and there on LinkedIn, and they just call me, is it available in Dubai? Is it available in USA? So see, this is ये technology का ही खेल है, right? And again, when I'm receiving their calls, are the part of technology only. When we are using, our products are sold on a big quantity on quick commerces. So again, this technology has played a big role. See, 10 years down the lane, I want to see my products across India, छोटे से छोटे शहर में, बड़े से बड़ी जगह पे. And people, they say, I want to see my product globally. Even I wish to. बट पहले जो हमारे यहाँ के लोग हैं, उनकी भी तो मतलब ज़रूरतें पूरी करके, अगर सपोज आई रीच ईच एंड एवरी सिटी ऑफ इंडिया एंड अ स्मॉल टाउन, बहुत कुछ मैंने कर लिया ऐसा मैं सोचूंगी. एंड या ग्लोबली तो या, बिकॉज आई कांट से ग्लोबली राइट नाउ बिकॉज एक्सपोर्ट्स ऑफ वीट आर बैंड दिस डेज. So yeah, but yeah, we are launching some products that are millet based. So some pre-mixes and all that I'll be launching, and then diabetes friendly atta. It is that it is formulated by me and my nutritionist. So we will be launching it soon. So these products could be exported maybe in near future. And those who are already eating whichever is available in the market and our formula, they would be able to see the difference and taste that freshness in our attas, even those gluten free and diabetes friendly attas. First is starting a business. If you have good money, अच्छा पैसा है, and you want to do, करो. But खुद के पैसे से, if you don't have a good capital and you have responsibilities, first see how much we can afford to spend in a business. And see, after all, whatever we do, passion is good. बोलने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but ultimately we all are running behind money because for survival we need money. It's very important. So how much amount we can spend on business just to fulfill our passion. And it's good, dream big, work hard, because without working hard you can't fulfill your dream. Because सपने देखने पैसा नहीं लगते हैं, लेकिन पूरा करने के लिए आपको काम और पैसा, you need both the thing. So yeah, and for women also, we like, मैं थोड़ी इंडियन मेंटालिटी है मेरी, इसलिए मैं जरूर बोलूंगी कि see, while chasing our dreams, many a times what do? We just forget our family, our kids, and we just go behind, मेरे सपने हैं, मेरा पैशन है, मेरी ambition है, but what about the kids? We need to shape future of our kids also. तो ये जो कैट रेस है, उसमें अपने परिवार को पीछे मत छोड़ो, बैलेंस बना के चलो, so that they will also cooperate you and then you will grow more. I guarantee ऐसा कहीं नहीं होता है कि जब आप अपने परिवार को साथ में लेके चल रहे हो तो आप आगे नहीं बढ़े, आप ज्यादा आगे बढ़ते हो. हाँ, मे बी शायद ये सब बैलेंस बनाने में maybe I took 3 years, you can take 4 years, it all depends. But when we grow together, it gives you satisfaction. Because it is made by Sangeeta Sharma.